In a sleepy town where nothing excited ever happened, lives a boy named Leo, who is 20 years age. He was known for his wild imagination and love for sketching stories that no one ever read until the day he found it. Curious Leo used a pen to sketch a tree in his notebook. But as he finished the last stroke, a rumble shook his desk, and outside his window, a twisted tree identical to his sketch stood tall in the garden. Leo tried drawing other things butterflies, sunlight, even a flying ship. But every creation twisted into something darker. Butterflies with torn wings, the sun covered in the clouds, the ship sunk into shadows, the pen was cursed. Just as fear gripped his heart, Leo noticed a small scroll inside the pen's box. What you draw reveals your mind. What you feel shapes the world. It wasn't the pen, it was his own fear bringing darkness. Determined to change, Leo drew again, this time with hope in his heart. He imagined a garden filled with laughter, color, and kindness. As the pen danced across the page, the world around him began to bloom. Leo no longer feared the pen. He used it to inspire, to tell stories that healed hearts and lifted spirits. He learned that the power to change the world begins with changing what's inside. And so the cursed pen was never really cursed, it was a mirror. And Leo, he became the boy who rewrote the world with light, one line at a time. Moral of the story is your thoughts shape your reality. When you fill your mind with hope and positivity, you can turn even the darkest moments into light. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Bizarre, extremely strange or unusual, especially in a way that is interesting or unexpected. Transcend, to go beyond the limits of something, to surpass or rise above. Ominous, giving the impression that something bad is going to happen. Threatening, enigmatic, mysterious, difficult to interpret or understand. Redemption, the act of being saved from sin, error, or evil, a second chance or transformation. Catalyst, something or someone that causes change or action, especially quickly or dramatically. Vivid, producing powerful feelings or strong, clear images in the mind. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from setbacks, challenges, or difficulties. Inscribe, to write or carve words on something, especially as a permanent record. Transformation, a thorough or dramatic change in form, appearance, or character. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.